All right, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to talk about the frame tool. So let's do File, Save, to save our little kitty image here. And then we're going to go to the frame tool, which creates a placeholder frame for images. So I'm going to click on that, and we're going to drag it here. And then I'm going to hit Open. And we're going to open the cat picture up, or the kitten. And there you go. He's inside a little frame, so you can move him around. And that's really the frame tool. There isn't a lot to it, but it's a very handy tool to have. And if I double click on this, then we can put the image inside of there. And then you can move it around. So I'm going to close the kitten report. I'm going to save this, close that. I'm going to save this, and I'm going to close Untitled 1. All right, so I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.